Namaskaram, Nenu Mansi Gulati. Today we are going to do yoga for better sleep. Better sleep is always important. Our mind will only work if we will get a better sleep. So sleeping is very important. Sleeping pattern should be 6 to 7 hours. That is important. So we are going to do some exercises for better sleep. We'll do some Kriya also for better sleep. So we'll start. First, please sit in Vajrasana. Keep your hand like this. We are doing Bhastrika Kriya. Bhastrika Kriya is the best Kriya. This will relax your muscles, release all the pain, and Bhastrika Kriya is the cleansing process also. So we'll get a better sleep if we do Bhastrika Kriya every day. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Mind and body is connected with your breath. Breath is very important. Breath will help you to expend your age, and it is very good for everything. If you need a better sleep, you should start practicing pranayama first. It's very easy and very important for everyone's health. So now we'll tell you first asana for better sleep. We are going to do Shavasana, but please don't sleep. Lie down. Relax yourself, relax your body, relax your mind. Okay, now straighten your hand, stretch. Relax. Take a side and come up. I was feeling sleepy. So this is Shavasana is very important asana. If we lie down in Shavasana for 5 minutes, you will 101% you will get a best sleep. So do it. This is very good asana. Now Balasana. Balasana, Shishuvasana is also a very important asana for sleep. So we'll do it. Please sit in Vajrasana first. Meditate your body. Think about your God. Worship your body. Okay. Now, very slowly go down. Keep your forehead down. Straighten your hand. Come on. This is very important asana for sleep, for blood circulation also. If there is any blockages, so it will help you to retrieve it. So we'll do it again. Go down. Again go down. Come up. Now last and very easy for the better sleep. Keep your elbows down. Hands like this, facing sky, palms. Now just keep your forehead down. Come on. These are very easy asanas. This will help you for the better sleep and also for the better life. Always try to stay positive and do yoga every day. Yoga is very important for life. So please stay with us. We will come again. Thank you.